What?
Hey, Angelo. This is the exterminator you called for your rat problem. Account's looking a little thin.
No one gets paid until what needs to get done gets done.
Nope, that's not the rules. No money, no honey. Whoa, here's your boy right now. What about 20 of his new best friends? I'm still seeing zeros over here, Angie.
Then stop being cute and do your job.
Oh, they're taking him out of the car now. In about 30 seconds, your window is going to close forever.
Okay, relax. There was an accounting error. We said it.
Now double it. You got 10 seconds.
We're not the kind of people you play with.
Did you threaten me? This dude's gonna get a sore throat from all the singing he's about to do.
You son of a...
Pleasure doing business with you, Angie.